Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the device reliable, charge to at least half, and enable a stable network. Open the GPS Setter app and grant location, storage, and background permissions so it can write coordinates. Once done, connect to your PC or pair via Bluetooth if your model needs it. This allows file transfers and firmware commands. Make sure the device clock is correct, because timestamps affect GPS fixes. After these first steps, you're ready to load coordinates into the app. You now import the coordinates. Choose GPX or KML or type latitude, longitude, and altitude manually. Once loaded, set the update interval. 1 second gives smooth movement, 5 seconds saves battery, and define a movement threshold in meters to avoid jitter. Next, select the operational mode: single point hold, full route replay, or live simulation that mimics speed. Make sure to preview the route on the map and adjust waypoints or speeds before starting, because changes mid-run can cause. You're ready to execute. Start the simulation and watch the live map to confirm the device follows the expected path. If movement looks wrong, pause, then check that the app still has location permissions and background access, toggle them off and on, and restart the app or device. Make sure to save the session log for debugging, and when finished, revert to real GPS mode to avoid persistent spoofing. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the device if permissions changes don't take effect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.